Why should you go to business school? Well, I recommend going to business school only if you're not happy in your current career and you want to make a career change. And so for me, I was working in technology consulting, and my passions in life were technology and finance. And so I wanted to go to a business school that focused on finance, which in my case was Columbia University. And so only go to business school if you want to change careers. And Columbia helped me to get to Wall Street at my first job at Goldman Sachs, which was a lot of fun. I loved it. But only go if you want to change careers. And another great thing about business school is it's an insurance policy. What do I mean by that? It's an insurance policy in case you don't like the industry you're in. And the beauty of business school is you can intern between your first year and second year and experiment with a different industry. But you might experiment within that industry and then join that industry and years later discover you don't like it. You hate it. You want to change careers. And you want to do something you enjoy to the extent that whatever you do shouldn't be seen as work. It should be seen as pleasure. So I work in venture capital during the day, and I absolutely love it. But it took me years to get into venture capital. And I worked in a couple of different markets or industries I didn't really like. But I went back to my Columbia network and leveraged it and asked alumni to help me out a lot. And people are always willing to help you if you just ask them. You got to be willing to crash and burn. Just ask. And if you get a chance, there's an amazing video I want you to watch on YouTube. It's by Steve Jobs. So search for these 3 words. Steve Jobs Ask, A-S-K. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds, and it will change your life. So in terms of other reasons you might want to go to business school is because of the network. Relationships are more important than product knowledge. I'm going to say that again because it's important. Relationships are more important than product knowledge. And going to a good business school, you tap into their alumni network. Harvard Business School is fantastic at this. So is Stanford. And a lot of them are very, very good. And getting access to that alumni base will help you a lot. Hope this clears things up for you in terms of why you might not want to or might want to go to business school. Thanks.